In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the wallpapers in your Signal application. If you want to make your wallpapers different for different chats, you can do it through your Signal application. Its process is more or less like WhatsApp, but show me how to do it. Open your Signal application. Go to any of the chats in your Signal application or the group where you want to change the wallpapers. When your chat is open, you will see the three dots in your upper right corner. Go to it. You will see different options here. Go to the second option, which is about group settings. When your group settings are open, you will see different options here. Look for the chat wallpapers and go to it. When you go to the chat wallpapers, you will see two options here. The first one where you are seeing the screen, go to it. When you go to it, you will see two options here. The first one is about choose from photos and second one is about presets. If you go to choose from photos, it will open your phone gallery here. And you can make any wallpaper from your phone gallery. The second option is about presets. You will see different presets of solid colors here. You can select any of these to make your wallpaper. When you choose any of the picture here, you have to click on the set wallpaper and go back. Now you can see that your wallpaper is changed. Following the same process, you can change the wallpaper of any of the chat you want by the presets and by your gallery as well. Thank you.